Good morning. Today we will see previous year gate question in the communication systems. In figure m of t, this is a question. In figure m of t, in this figure m of t is equal to 2 sine 2 pi t by t. Here this m of t is equal to 2 sine 2 pi t by t. S of t, here we have s of t which is given as cos 200 pi t. And n of t, here we have n of t which is equal to sine 199 pi t by t. Now what we have to find is the output y of t will be. So first here we have m of t and s of t which is given as input to the multiplier, and this output is y1 of t. Here we have output y1 of t, and this y1 of t and n of t is given as input to the adder. Now here we have adder output as y2 of t. So here the output of adder y2 of t and s of t is given as input to this multiplier. So finally we will have y3 of t which is given as input to this low pass filter. Now what is the function of this low pass filter? This will allow only the low frequency signals and it will filter all the high frequency signals, that we know very well. And the final output will be y of t. Now let us see what is the output for this. See here. Here we have y1 of t. So first we have y1 of t. y1 of t will be equal to this m of t into s of t, because this is a multiplier. So first what we have to find is y1 of t, that is the output of this multiplier. These two are multiplied here. Now what is m of t? That is 2 sine 2 pi t by t, because in the question they have mentioned that m of t is equal to 2 sine pi t by t, and what is s of t? Cos 200 pi t. So into cos 200 pi t. Now what we have to find is we have to find the output of this multiplier. So we know that which is 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So we know this formula. Now what we are going to do is we are going to apply this formula in this y1 of t. Therefore we can write this y1 of t is equal to 1 divided by t. We can take this 1 divided by t. Then here we have sin a plus b, 200 plus 2, that is 202 pi t, minus sin, what is a minus b? 200 minus 2. So we have 198 pi t. So this is what our y1 of t. So we found this output of this multiplier, that is y1 of t. Now what is y2 of t? What is y2 of t? That is, now what we are going to find is y2 of t. That is the output of this adder. So what is y2 of t? That is y1 of t plus n1 of t. So this is what we are going to find. Now we have found y1 of t, that is the output of multiplier. Now this is added in the adder by using y1 of t and n1 of t. So y2 of t is equal to y1 of t plus y2 of t is equal to y1 of t plus n1 n of t plus n of t. This is what we are going to do in the adder. Now what is y1 of t? That is equal to, here we have 1 by t into sine 202 pi t minus sine 198 pi t, plus what is this n of t? In the question they have mentioned n of t is equal to sine 199 pi t by t, that is sine 199 pi t by t. Now what we have to do? Therefore y2 of t which is equal to, let us take this 1 of t as common, so we can write this as sine 202 pi t minus sine 198 pi t plus sine 199 pi t. Now this is the output of y2 of t. Now what we have to find is, y2 of t. Now what we have to find is y3 of t. Now what is y3 of t? So y3 of t y3 of t which is equal to, what is y3 of t? Here y3 of t is multiplier. Here we have a multiplier. This is adder circuit and this is multiplier. What are the things which is multiplied here? That is y2 of t and s of t. y2 of t into s of t. Now what is y2 of t? Just now we have written that is 1 by t into 1 by t into sine 202 pi t, sine 202 pi t minus sine 198 pi t plus sine 199 pi t, sine 199 pi t into what we are going to multiply here? S of t. So in the question they have mentioned S of t is equal to cos 200 pi t. That is cos 200 pi t. Now we can write this as which is equal to 1 divided by t. Let us multiply this cos 200 pi t. So sine 202 pi t into cos 200 pi t minus sine 198 pi t into cos 200 pi t plus sine 199 pi t into cos 200 pi t. Now we know that 2 sine A cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Now we are going to apply this formula here. Therefore y3 of t will be equal to 1 divided by, let us take this 2 common, so 2t into, here what is sine A plus B? So A plus B is sine 402. 202 plus 200 is 402 pi t plus what is sine A minus B? Sine 202 minus 200 will be 2 pi. 2 pi t. Here we have minus and here again we have sine cos. So we can write this as sine 200 plus 198 is 398 pi t plus sine 200 minus 198 will be 2 pi t plus here we have sine and cos. So again sine 200 plus 199 is 399 pi t minus sine, here we have 200 minus 199, that is 1 pi t, or we can say this as sine pi t. That's it. We can write this as which is equal to, now this is the answer for y3 of t. This is the answer for this y3 of t. Now what we found is, we found y1 of t, y2 of t and y3 of t, and the output of this is given to the low pass frequency, low pass filter. It has cutoff frequency of 1 Hertz. Now what happens in this low pass filter? This will allow only the frequency which is less than this 1 Hertz. So, because here we have a low pass filter, if we are taking this y3 of t as output, then this will be our output, final answer. But here what happens, this y3 of t is given as input to this low pass filter. What is the function of a low pass filter? This will allow only the low frequency signal, whereas it will filter the high frequency signal. What is the cutoff frequency given here? Cutoff frequency given here is 1 Hertz, so that it will allow only the frequency which is less than 1 Hertz. Now let us see here. Here we have y3 of t is equal to 1 by 2t sine 402. Now if you divide this 402 by 2, so that we will get 201, isn't it? So the frequencies are frequencies of x3 of t. So what are the frequencies of x3 of t? If you divide 402 by 2, that will be 201. 2 by 2 will be 1. 398 by 2 will be, that is 199. 2 by 2 will be 1. 399 will be 199.5, and here 1 by 2 will be 0.5. These are the frequencies which is obtained in the y3 of t. Listen, we have sine 402 pi t, sine 2 pi t, sine 398 pi t, sine 2 pi t, sine 399 pi t, sine 1 pi t. So if you divide this by 2, because here we have 2, so 402 by 2 will be 201. 2 pi by 2 pi will be 1. 398 by 2 will be 199. 2 pi by 2 will be 1. So 399 by 2 will be 199.5. and 1 by 2 will be 0.5. These are the frequencies which are available in Y3 of t. Now if you give these frequencies as input to this low pass filter, what happens? This low pass filter will filter this all high frequency signal, that is 200, 199, 195. So finally we will have only this 1.5. Now what are the frequencies? So we will get, that is, therefore y of t will be equal to, what is this one? That is sine 2 pi t, and here we have sine 2 pi t, and here we have minus sine 1 pi t. So this is what we are going to get as output. Y of t will be equal to, here we have y3 of t. Now the function output of y of t will be equal to 1 by 2t sine 2 pi t sine 2 pi t sine. But what happens? We cannot find any answer here like this, isn't it? We have the answer like 1 by 2 pi t 1 by 2t sine 2 pi t plus sine 2 pi t minus sine pi t, but we cannot find any answer like this. So what we have to do is, we have to do simplification according to this. So what is the output? Y of t is equal to 1 by 2t into sine 2 pi t plus sine 2 pi t minus sine pi t. So this is our y of t. Now we have to form according to that answer. Now what is sine A minus sine B, which is equal to, we can write 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. Now let us take this as sine A minus sine B. So therefore we can write this as y of t is equal to 1 divided by 2t into sine 2 pi t plus, now let us use this as sine A sine B. Therefore we can write this as 2 cos, now here we have 2 pi and here we have pi. So 2 pi plus pi by 2 into, here we have sine. So 2 pi minus pi by 2 into t. So which will be equal to 1 divided by 2t sine 2 pi t plus 2 cos 3 pi by 2 t sine, here we have pi by 2 t. So we can write this as 1 divided by 2t sine 2 pi t plus 2 cos 3 by 2 will be 1.5 pi t into sine 0.5 pi t. Therefore we can write this as, which is equal to sine 2 pi t by 2t plus sine 0.5 pi t by t into cos 1.5 pi t. That's it. This is our y of t. Now let us check in the question, that is sine 2 pi t by 2t. Where we are getting that sine 2 pi t by 2t plus sine 0.5 pi t cos 1.5 t. So this is the answer for this question. So by seeing the question, we should not think that this is very difficult. So what we have to find is, we have to find the answers for this multiplier, adder, multiplier. Since it is given to the low pass filter, so we have to filter the high frequencies. So here they have mentioned cutoff frequency as 1 Hz, so that the frequency which will be less than this 1 Hz will be passed by this low pass filter, so that we will get y of t. Thank you. I hope you like this. If you like this, subscribe, share and support. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.